Hello. In this video, we'll be showing you how to navigate through the Oxford reference resource from the Oxford University Press Collection. Now you have signed in to access this resource, you should find yourself on a page like this. On the left side of the screen, you will find the following options: Browse and search entries, Browse and search books, Show books in my subscription, and download a full title list. For the next example going forward, we'll just click on the Show Books in My Subscription option to be taken to the following page. On the results page, you will see that it states that you have 390 books to access in the Oxford reference resource. On the left side of the screen, you will find the Narrow Your Choices menu. In the availability section, make sure that Unlocked and Free are ticked, as this means that the results on the right side of the screen are available for you to access. For the next example, we'll just click on the top result to be taken to the following page. On the subject reference, this being A to Z of plastic surgery, you'll be given a brief synopsis about the book, as well as its bibliographic information, such as publisher, print publication date, and when it was published online. On the right side of the screen, you will find out details about the author. If you scroll down the page to the entries section and click on one of them, for example, Abdominal Wall, you'll be taken to the following page where you can read about it in full text format.